Hello everyone. Today I am going to have a revision board 1 and 2. You will see big numbers in the video. I is 1. I is 2. I is 3. V is 4. V is 5. VI is 6. VII is 7. VIII is 8. IX is 9. X is 10. These are numbers from 1 to 10. Now, section 2, 10 to 100. XI is 11. XII is 12. XIII is 13. XIV is 14. XV is 15. XVII is 17. XX is 20. XXV is 25. XXIX is 29. XXX is 30. XL is 40. L is 50. LX is 60. LXX is 70. LXXXVIII is 88. C is 100. Section 3, 110 to 1000. CX is 110. CL is 150. CLXXXVIII is 188. CC is 200. CCC is 300. CD is 400. D is 500. DCCCLXXXVII is 888. CM is 900. CMXCIX is 999. There is a ZB in the way. M is 1000. Now section 5. Section 4 or section 5, I don't know. MI is 1000. Section, I don't know. MI 1000 to, I think, 1 million. MI is 1001. MV is 1005. MX is 1010. ML is 1050. MC is 1100. MB is 1500. MM is 2000. MMM is 3000. V overline is 5000. V overline M is 6000. V overline MM is 7000. V overline MMM is 8000. MX overline CMXCIX is 9999. X overline is 10,000. L overline is 50,000. C overline is 100,000. D overline is 500,000. M overline is 1 million. Section 5, 1 million to 1 septillion. 1 million. MM overline is 2 million. MMM overline is 3 million. V with 2 overlines is 5 million. VII with 2 overlines is 7 million. X with 2 overlines is 10 million. L with 2 overlines is 50 million. C with 2 overlines is 10 to the power of 8. D with 2 overlines is 5 to 10 to the power of 8. M with 2 overlines is 10 to the power of 9 or billion. V with 3 overlines is 5 times 10 to the power of 9. X with 3 overlines is 10 to the power of 10. C with 3 overlines is 10 to the power of 11. M overline is 10 to the power of 12. X followed by 4 overlines is 10 to the power of 13. C followed by 4 overlines is 10 to the power of 14. M followed by 4 overlines is 10 to the power of 15. X and V on top of X, or X followed by 5 overlines is 10 to the power of 16. 6C over C with 5 overlines is 10 to the power of 17. M with 5 overlines is 10 to the power of 18. X with 6 overlines is 10 to the power of 19. C with 6 overlines is 10 to the power of 20. M with 6 overlines is 10 to the power of 21. X followed by 7 overlines is 10 to the power of 22. C followed by 7 overlines is 10 to the power of 23. N followed by 7 overlines is 10 to the power of 24. Now, section 6. This number x on top of x, 2, x overline on top of x overline on top of x overline on top of x overline. xi on top of x is 10 to the power of 28. xb on top of x is 10 to the power of 40. xl on top of x is 10 to the power of 100 or Google. L on top of x is 10 to the power of 115. C on top of x is 10 to the power of 119. CL on top of x is 10 to the power of 265. CC on top of x is 340. D on top of x is 10 to the power of 790. M on top of x is 10 to the power of 2300. V overline on top of x overline is 10 to the power of 10,000 or Google tall. X overline on top of x is 10 to the power of 20,000. X overline on top of x is 10 to the power of 53,333,333. X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x is 10 to the power of 16 billion. Now, section 7. This number, whatever it is, Googleplex, like x overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, standing line C, whatever it is, Googleplex, to this one, absolute infinity. 6 sections, I think. Let's start with this. X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, standing line C, is Googleplex, or 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 100. Let's find the next number. X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, and standing line D is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 500. X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, standing line M is 10 to the power of 1000 or Googleplex chime. X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, standing line X overline on top of x on top of x on top of x, standing line M is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 1000. Google duplexy chime. And this number gets crazy. One standing line in the middle of I is Google triplex, or 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 100. Find the next number. Here, standing line crossing B is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10. And this x here is standing line crossing x is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 40. And this line crossing L is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 100. And the C crossing standing line crossing C is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 500. And standing line crossing D is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 1000. Or I wrote it as 10 to the power of 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 3. Here, a standing line crossing M, it's yellow now, 10 to the power of 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 10. And this next has 2 arrows here. V on top of a standing line crossing N is 10 followed by 2 arrows and another 10. Here, find the next number. Here, a standing line crossing a standing line crossing 3 M's and 2 overlines. Standing line X is 10 to the power of 10 followed by 3 arrows and a 10. Then I between the 2 standing lines is 10 followed by 4 arrows and a 10. Standing line crossing a standing line and a horizontal crossing both is 10, 5 arrows followed by 5 arrows and another 10. Now starting here we have a K. A K is 10 bracket 7.5 bracket close 10. K overline is 10 bracket 10 bracket close 10. Here find the next number. See, K with 2 right slashes is equal to 10 bracket 1 bracket close 5. Here find the next number. Here K 10 K L crossing K is equal to bracket 10 comma 1 comma 5 bracket close. Here it starts to get big by D. D is same as 500, but don't worry. D has 2 minis. D is also the same as 500 and D is also the same as bracket 10 comma 1 comma 10 bracket close. And here J is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 1 comma 50 bracket close. And here F 10 comma bracket 10 comma 1 comma 100. And here it starts to get big and big. U is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 1 comma 500. And here Q is big because it is bracket 10 comma 10 comma 1 comma 1000 bracket close. And here let's find the next number. Over here Q with this whatever this thing is and is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 1 comma 10 to the power of 100. And here let's find the next number. Here Q whatever this thing is, which is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 100 comma 5. And this one over here is Q whatever this thing is. It's a upside down bracket which is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 100 comma 10. And here from here it starts to get big because it's bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 100 bracket close. Everything is bracket and bracket close, right? Is that fun? Was that fun? That's too funny. So let's go to the next number. Let's find the next number and here wherever it is. Here upside down A bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10. Upside down B is bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 50 bracket close or bracket close here too. And upside down C is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 100 bracket close. Upside down D is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 500 bracket close. E upside down E is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 1000 bracket close. Let's find the next number. F or letter F. F upside down F is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 down to the power of 100 or whatever that is. Upside down G is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10. And here H is so crazy. Let's find H somewhere. I think H is not there. I think H is not there. I is not there. But J is 10 comma 10 comma 10 10 comma 10 comma 10 comma 10 10 comma 10 comma 10 bracket close right here bracket 2 here. And upside down K has two entries. But first entry bracket 10 comma 10 and so on 10 comma 10 bracket close. Second entry bracket 10 comma 10 this and so on 10 comma 10 bracket close. And find the upside down L which is not there and M which is not there, and I think N is there. N we are searching for N right now. Here N is bracket 10 comma 100 bracket 1 bracket close 2 bracket close. And here O is not there. Think P is not there. Q is not there. Upside down Q. R is not there. S is not there. T is not there. U is not there, and so on. Z, I think Z is there. I found Z somewhere. Here Z is equal to bracket 10 comma 10 10 comma 10 bracket 1 bracket close 10 comma 10 bracket close. Here we need to find all the forbidden letters are gone. Now we are searching for infinity and absolute infinity. Where are they? Here it is find it. Here a slash infinity, and here infinity at a side, and here is our infinity and 8 crossing each other is equal to absolute infinity. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.